Hey, this is Chris, and I want to take a moment to point out how this flagstone was installed. You have this pen blue flagstone, and it's been set in on these cement feet for a very stable surface. Many people have been calling me lately telling me that they're going to install their flagstone just sitting on sand. Okay, I don't know where the sand thing came from. Maybe because we've got so many new people in landscaping, the standards have gone downhill really badly. You do not set stone or flagstone on sand. You get set on decomposed granite, class 2 road base with a thin layer of sand maybe, but you not to put down 2 or 3 inches of washed concrete sand and then set the stone there. That'll never become a permanent strong footing. Now this landscaper, and I'll mention their name on the channel if they say so, went the extra mile and put down this 1/4 inch, actually have 1/2 inch steel mesh throughout the landscape, and then put this heavy weed fabric over the top of it to keep the gophers from destroying this really nice landscape. So this guy really thought out his work ahead of time. This homeowner got value for their money. So many people are hiring landscapers or gardeners to do the work, and you're not getting any added value, okay, other than having someone move the shovel for you. There should be a plan, a set of specifications or details provided explaining how this work is going to get done. And here we have good, well thought out work. The drip system is below ground. The gopher wire is put down to prevent this beautiful Pammy Pebble flagstone landscape from being destroyed by gophers. Weed fabric, yeah, you know, whatever. Obviously we know how to think about that, but the pebbles are thick enough that it's going to cover it up. And then the flagstone is put down with this nice cement footing so that it's always going to stay in place and not slide around, be an issue. And he made a little flagstone border out here. So anyways, this is a very well thought out or properly executed landscape installation featuring pen blue flagstone and Montana Pammy Pebbles.